Hello, this is Neena from Ajay Stromani Guru, bringing you the latest updates and advanced analysis to help you navigate the dynamic world of commodities. Today, we're diving deep into the Jeera market, where recent developments are creating some interesting shifts. Over the past 2 to 3 days, continuous rainfall has drenched Saurashtra and other parts of Gujarat. This has significantly impacted arrivals in key agricultural mandis, especially affecting our Jeera markets. Trade sources indicate that the wet field conditions are making it difficult for farmers to bring their produce to market, leading to tighter spot supplies across the region. Now, despite a somewhat subdued export demand, we are seeing some limited support to prices due to local buying interest. On Wednesday, the average spot rates in Gujarat actually saw a rise of approximately 50 rupees per 20 kg. Certain varieties, specifically Machine Clean, Bombay Bold, and Singapore grades, showed firm undertones in Undjha. Looking at the arrival figures, Undjha experienced a slight dip, with arrivals declining to 9,000 bags from 10,000 in the previous session. However, on a national level, total arrivals remained steady at 12,000 bags. In contrast, Rajkot markets witnessed a sharp decline in prices, ranging from 50 rupees to 125 rupees across several varieties. This downturn in Rajkot is primarily attributed to quality concerns and a rather tepid local demand. Shifting our focus to the futures segment, NCDEX Jeera contracts closed lower for a second consecutive session. The June contract settled at 19,065 rupees per quintal, marking a decrease of 35 rupees. The July contract also eased, closing 20 rupees lower at 19,280 rupees. A notable drop of 453 lots in open interest for the June contract suggests significant long liquidation as we approach its expiry. Meanwhile, the July contract saw an increase of 291 lots, indicating ongoing rollover activity. As always, we'll be keeping a close eye on the weather patterns. Continued rainfall and its subsequent impact on market arrivals will undoubtedly remain a key driver for price direction in the days ahead. Stay tuned to Ajay Stromani Guru for more timely insights and in-depth analysis. Remember to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next update. Thank you for watching and happy trading.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।